So what I want you to do is you go back to your browser. You go all the way here. You just type HTML5 and canvas HTML5 game. How about this? And you scroll down all the way here. You choose W3 schools. Choose this. Okay? So you type HTML5 game and you scroll down and you find this website W3 schools and you click on it. And we are going to work on this game. Okay? Now, so if you already here, please just type an emoji, okay? Like okay, that's cool. Now let's just scroll down, go all the way here. You'll find there's a button called Try It Yourself. Okay? I want you to click on the Try It Yourself. You click all the way here. Okay. If you have played with the HTML file, you will know what it is. So the first part is HTML, like this part is HTML. And they have something called doctype HTML, which means this version is HTML5. And under here is some script. So that is the JavaScript to control this game. And if you scroll all the way down, it has a lot of code. But don't worry about that. What I want you to do is we want to change the color of this background, okay? This background. So how are we going to do that? So you probably just change it here. You change this background to blue. And now you click run. Okay? Or you change it to like my favorite color is pink. So you choose pink. Okay? And now you say, hey, I want my background to have some picture instead of just a color. So how am I going to change the background to have a picture? And you would do this. You say background image. Okay? You type URL and parentheses, and then you give a single quote, another single quote, and close it, and don't forget the semi-commas. And we are going to find a picture for this one. Okay, so how are we going to find a picture? We open a new tab and we will go to the image.google.ca or image.google.com, whatever. So you type, and my favorite picture is Cinderella. Okay, And definitely this one is my favorite picture. You click on here. You also click on this one. You will see my favorite picture, right? And on this picture, you do right click. And on the fourth option, you will see copy image address. You click on this. And let's try. You put it here and you will see the whole picture, right? And now we go back to your code. Try it editor here. And we paste this here. Okay? We paste it here. And let's see what happened. We run. The picture was changed, but not that good. So what I want you to do is like you add one more here. Background, size, you say color. Okay. You click here. Oh, it's beautiful. So I have my Cinderella here. But again, this Cinderella doesn't really fit on this game, right? So how about you change your own image? Like I come back to my Google. I may probably choose Minecraft. Okay. And probably I choose this picture. This one. I click on this. And I click on this. And I right click. Oopsie. I will choose copied image address. You copy image address and open a new tab. You paste the URL here, and that's the image I want, right? So you go back to here. You remove the URL you was paste here and remove it. Now it looks like this. Okay. So how about we just put the URL of the Minecraft, and I click it one more time. Now it looks better, right? But I want to change the color of this bar. So where's this bar? You will say, hey, that's green color, right? So you will scroll down and look for something say green. So let's see, where is the green color? You scroll down. I can find it. Damn it. Yeah, here you go. So that's a green, right? So how about I change it to purple? Let's try purple, and let's see what happened. Now the color was changed to purple. Okay. And how about the score? And this test is the color of the score is score. It's saying my score. And the color is red, right? So let's just change it to white and see what happens. And it looks much more better right now. And you can try like this. Okay. And now I want you to change in your style. You don't have to be exactly looks like mine. Okay. Once you're done, and we want to also change this bar, the red bar. So where's this red bar? It should be here, my game piece. Why? Because it's red. It's red color, right? Here, it's red. So how about you just change it to yellow and see what happens. Okay. All right. So, but you think, hey, I don't want this to be a block. I want it to be a image. So how am I going to change this block into a like Angry Bird or anything like image you want to put it here? So the first thing is like I want you to put a tag here. Let's say it's called image img. You put a source, and then that's the image tag. And the same thing, you go to Google image, and you go here, and you type Angry Bird. You have better to type PNG. And for example, I choose this Blackbird, okay? This Blackbird. And I click here, and let's see. Let me try. You come here, right click, and you copy the image address. And I come back here. I put the image here. And now you click run. You should have a big bird over here, okay? And now, if you want to change this icon to the bird, there should be a lot of change. So the first one is like, because my game pieces is come from here, right? It's calling a function called component. If you go all the way to the component here, you will see that if there's a type, which is the argument is here. The type is test, and then it will show the test. But when we calling the game piece, like our hero here, there's no tests in this argument. So which means in this component, you will do like in this block. If the test is here and you go this block, if not, and we will go this, the color, this block, okay? But right now we want to have the image in here. So what I want you to do is we will change this function a little bit. You will say else if, you will say just copy this dot type is equal to image, okay? All right. Okay. Now, I want you to do like in the image we just got here for the Angry Bird. You would give an ID here, like ID. For example, you would define an ID called, how about just bird? So we got an ID here called bird. Okay. Now you go back to this code, the same component code inside this brace, and you will say if image if is image, so we will go to the document, which is the HTML. We'll get element by ID, and now you say the ID is just bird, right? We just say bird, so it's bird for this ID, the bird ID. And now what I want you to do is like you got a bird, so you got to draw the image. You draw the image to this location, exactly like this location, because we draw our block, like this block, the 0 block on this location, so I want you to draw the image on the same location. Okay, and on your my game piece, the start game, you will do image. Okay, once you pass the image, it would be just going to this block, the component block. So it will come to this block, and let's run it. Now you should see your image is the 0 block or the green block should change to the angry bird. Okay. All right. So if you guys already finished it, you can click this button called save, and you click save it. Now you got a URL here, right? So you can copy this link and you can open it here, or send to your parents, your friends, and then if they click run, and then they can run your game. So in case you haven't finished this code, you can always just go back to our video and do it step by step. But what we got here is just we changed the background image to the Minecraft image, and we set the size just to cover the whole canvas over here. And we changed the bar, this bar, from green to purple. And we also changed the score here from black to white, our score, black to white. And we also changed a little bit on our hero from this my game piece. Okay, and then in this my game piece, you have to have the image as the parameter. You go all the way to this function called component. And now in this function, there's an argument called type, which came from image, like from here to here, or from test to here, right? And we add a small block over here. We say if the type is image, we should draw the image. So the image should come from here, the angry bird one. And now you can get the angry bird into your hero. You will draw exactly in this block. All right. So, but if you don't follow all the steps we have, you can always just go back to the video and follow them step by step. And I will recommend you to go over all our video. And from 1 to 4, and you should be able to set up the working environment, and then we can go for the next lesson in next Tuesday. And I will talk to your parents or you, and if you have any question or you think I should slow down a little bit, please just send me an email at help@dataera.ca.